In this video, we'll discuss about C-sharp operators. So first, let's see the types. There are generally 8 types, that is basic assignment operators, then arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, unary operators, trinary operators, bitwise and bit shift operators, then compound assignment operators. So let us move to the explanation sector. Here you can see basic assignment operators are to assign value to a variable. Like there is a variable a that is double, and this variable a is assigned with the value 35.06. So the assignment operator is equal. Then in arithmetic operators, generally we do maths, so this should be plus, minus, multiplication, division and modulus. You can see in the example, so x equal 3, y equal 10, so x plus y. So the arithmetic operator is plus, and here you can see the equal. So what is this operator? This is assignment operator. Okay, so relational operator. Generally, we use these kind of operators in conditions like if x equal y, then we do something. So here, this double equal is the relational operator. So that can be greater than, less than, greater than equal, less than equal, or not equal. So logical operators. Logical operators combines multiple Boolean expression. Those are or, and. These are the operators. Here you can see if x equal y and y equals z, then we will do something. So we used and operator here. Here this x equal y and y equal z. These two expressions should return as a single value, that is true. If this two is combined true, then we will do something. Then unary operators. Generally, we use it in increment, decrement. You know, if you have done coding in other language, we often use this like int num equal 10 and result equal num plus plus. So the num variable will increment itself, so the output will be 11. Then trinary operators. This is very interesting because you can see in the example our goal is to print odd number or even number. So we can do it in a simpler way like this, and the syntax goes like var equal condition question mark then expression 1 or expression 2. Here you can see the example raise equal num modulus 2 equals 0. If num modulus 2 equals 0, then even number or odd number. This is so simple and very interesting. Now let's look at the bitwise and bit shift operators. Here you can see there is some operators and single and actually. Then you will see this in source code because I have done a long code and that contains all of the operators with comments. So you can see that int num equal 10, and if you do the bitwise complement, the output will be minus 11. Then compound assignment operators. This sounds compound, but it actually very easy. We often use that. That is like if you see the example int num equal 10. Now we can do it like num equal 10 plus 5, then it will be 15. We just shorten that and we write num plus equal 5, that we get 15. So this is compound assignment operators. So now I will show you the source code. So in code you can see that I have written all type of operators and every single example possible to make you understand, so you can run this on your PC and debug it so that you will learn better. You can see there is relation operator, logical operators, unary operators, trinary operators, bitwise and bit shift operators, and every single uh, type of them. So if you run this program, you will get the output, and I recommend you debug this, and because debugging is the best way to learn by yourself.